I'm divorced 6 times.
I might get canceled for this. I don't believe in equality, if that makes sense.
How did you know he was going to make it or actually, do what he actually said he's going to do?
I just seen it in him.
What did you not learn though? Like from the first to the sixth time, like what happened that you didn't learn? What happened?
That's not work for me.
Yeah, men think that pussy and sex is just what you should give them if they do something for you. I don't like that. Chivalry is like dead now.
Thank you for the 7 divorce.
What do you do for work, boss?
I own a small business owner.
You're an entrepreneur.
Yes.
What's the toughest thing about being an entrepreneur in your opinion?
Overcoming obstacles, the challenges that small business owners face. Yeah, that's what I would say.
What's the number one challenge you've been experiencing lately?
Buying new work trucks, they're $85,000 work trucks. Buying a new fleet was a big challenge that we overcame.
So how do you have the balls to buy an $85,000 truck, know it's going to be a return on investment long term?
Vision is there. You got to have the vision. And once you have the vision, you got to have a plan and you got to execute that plan. So I always say vision, plan of action, and execution. You do those 3 things, you'll be all right.
Would you rather make $100,000 a year as a business owner, or would you rather make $500,000 a year as an employee?
I'd rather make $100,000 an entrepreneur.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's on my terms. I set my own goals. There's no glass ceiling. That $500,000, okay, yeah, I made it this year, but as a business owner, I'll take that $100K, and I know that in 3 to 5 years, I could turn that into $1 million. No problem.
Let me ask you this. What's the toughest thing about being with an entrepreneur?
Just having patience and understanding. He's gonna work a lot.
And how long have you guys been together?
6 years.
So when you first started dating him, did you believe in his vision, or are you kind of like not sure if he was going to make it or not?
I for sure knew he was gonna make it.
What did you see in him that you knew for a fact he was going to make it, in your opinion?
He was very driven and ambitious and goal-oriented. So he's already successful before this. So
Let me ask you this. A lot of women are watching this, and they're like, I don't know if I should date this kind of person because he's ambitious, he's driven, but I don't know if he's going to make it. How did you know he was going to make it or actually, do what he actually said he's going to do?
you know what, to be honest, I just seen it in him. Like this entrepreneurship. He just has so much work ethic in him. And I think a lot of women they overlook that in a man. They're so looking for the outside perspective, like outside of it, instead of looking at their hard work and the work ethic.
Someone that's watching this, they're with a man that doesn't have a high work ethic, but he has big dreams and big goals, but he's trying his best. Would you recommend a woman to date a man like that, or someone that's already successful already?
I would say to date a man that's on his way to success, because then you're going to come up with him, you can uplift him, and that becomes a great team. So, yeah.
Is there doubts and worries that you had in him when you first started dating?
Not at all.
So you knew he was going to make it?
Yes.
So you just saw it?
I did, yeah.
So let me ask you a question. Did her belief in you help you, or it didn't really matter?
Absolutely, 1,000%. I feel like being with her and her just having my back, believing in me, giving me the opportunity to prove myself, and knowing that I have her next to me, like, gotta get done. So she's definitely a motivation for me and an inspiration.
As a man, sometimes you're not hitting the goals you want to hit, and it's tough and it's hard. How do you sometimes, push forward, knowing that your wife, your girlfriend is watching you, and you're failing in front of her? How do you make that happen?
You just gotta get up. You gotta keep going, man. Every day, no matter what, you just have to keep working towards your goal. Every day, whether it's an email, a phone call, a text, you just gotta do something every day towards your goals. Can't be a day where you don't do nothing.
Did you ever feel like quitting?
All the time.
Really?
Yeah, all the time. But you can't. You know you can't quit because, again, you have a wife, you have a household, you have kids, you have goals, you have dreams, and she believes in those dreams and goals. So there's expectations. As a man, you should have expectations. You should, take care of your family and push forward no matter what.
When you're having those tough moments in business and in life, you don't share that with your wife. How do you kind of fight those demons, so to say, alone sometimes?
That's a good question. So I would probably say, just literally sometimes just chill to myself. Give me whether it's an hour, 30 minutes, just by myself, just envisioning, manifesting, just self-reflection. A lot of self-reflection, bro. A lot.
I appreciate you. God bless you guys. Thank you so much. Do you think women these days should be focused on business and entrepreneurship, in your opinion?
I feel like it should be a balance between the two. You should always have your own money as a woman, always have your own sense of establishment yourself. You should never have to depend on another man for money.
Really?
A man can get up and leave you any day. So if he gets up and leave you, he takes the house, he takes the car, what do you have for yourself? You have no job, you haven't been working. The only thing you've been doing is to make sure that this man is okay. So I feel like they should be concentrated on their business and their entrepreneurships, but they also should know how to balance it with keeping a man, because a lot of women, they get in the boss mentality where they don't need a man, and then...
Do you believe in that?
I do believe in that, but at the same time, you don't need a man to an extent. You still need a man to be a woman, to pull out your soft side, take you out on dates, give you flowers. Every woman wants that. They might not want to admit it. Every woman wants it. They want the dates. cakes, they want the flowers, they want all that. So you have to be a woman to a man in order to get that. But I also feel like you should have some sort of dependency on yourself other than the man.
So let me ask you a question. What do you think is wrong with feminism these days? Do you agree with feminism?
I was gonna say there's a lot wrong with feminism these days. I'm not gonna lie, I might get canceled for this. I don't believe in equality, if that makes sense. I feel like some jobs should be just for men and some jobs should be just for women. Now, I'm not saying every job should be like that. Are some jobs where it's like, men or women can work at. But certain jobs, I feel like only a man should work that job and only a woman should work that job. And he's getting paid more because you can't lift a 180-pound box. Like me at UPS right now, I can't lift a 70-pound box. I'm going to tell the man to go grab the box. He's doing more work than me. He should be paid $1 more or something for that.
So you're okay with a man making more money than a woman then?
Not in every field. Not in every field. The fields that I said a man and women can work, same together on, equal pay.
So let me ask you this. What's the biggest problem of males and what's the biggest problem today with men and females?
Yeah, men think that pussy and sex is just what you should give them if they do something for you. I don't like that. Courting, chivalry is like dead now. If you take a girl to eat or something, like just right now, some dude bought me a drink at the bar. We went back up to his room and he asked me if we were gonna have sex for an $18 drink. I'm sorry, but no, like you can't just buy me a drink because you want to get to know me. When you said we were going up to your room to go to Sexy Fish so you can change, I said, okay, let's go. But now I'm in your room and you're asking me if I want to have sex with you. And that wasn't the plan. That wasn't on that. A lot of men, they'll fly a girl out, expect pussy in return, but don't discuss it beforehand.
So you want the man to discuss it?
I don't want them to discuss it at all. I just don't want it to be expected. Like if you do something nice for me, I don't want you to expect sex out of it because you should just want to do something nice for a woman that you think is pretty or a woman that you might want to get to know.
So what can a guy do these days to get some action?
Take her out on a date, get to know her. I'm not gonna lie, if a woman's feeling you on the first day, she might give it up. If I'm feeling you on the first day and we're having a great time, everything's good, I don't feel no bad vibes. Like I said, I'm in Miami for 3 days. If I'm having a good time, I'm going to give it up because I'm here for a long time.
But they gotta earn it.
A good time, not a long time, but they have to earn it. It's not just gonna be because you said hey to me on the side of the street and I got your attention, you got my attention, now I'm giving you pussy. No, effort has to be put in. Time.
I appreciate it. Boss man, I got a quick question for you. How long have you guys been together?
5 years.
5 years? What's the secret of being together?
¿Cuál es el secreto de estar juntos?
Oh, I get the secret now.
Fianza.
Confident.
Why did you choose a Hispanic woman?
¿Por qué te elegí por guapa?
How do you make it work for 5+ years?
Patience and a lot of kisses.
So let me ask you this. Someone that's watching this, they got a divorce. Can they make it happen again? Can they survive a second marriage?
Yeah, it could be. I'm divorced 6 times.
Wait a minute. You got divorced 6 times?
6 times, and I'm still believing.
You still believe in
I'm
marriage?
still believing in marriage.
Okay, hold on a second. So 6 times. What did you not learn from the other 5 times that the 6th time you had to get divorced again?
I don't know. This is my 7th.
This is the... Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Listen. I got a real question. Hold on a second.
Me 12.
Hold on a second. What did you not learn, though? Like, from the 1st to the 6th time? Like, what happened that you didn't learn? What happened?
I think you need to be patient. You need to be patient. You need to be understandable. ¿Qué más para que funcione? That's not work for me.
So let me ask you one more question. Why did you get divorced so many times and not stay married once, in your opinion? I want to learn from your failure.
I think sometimes you don't know what you want. That's the mistake.
So now you know.
So, yes.
I love it. God bless you guys.
Thank you for the 7 divorce.
God bless you guys. God bless. Oh, man. 6 times, man. Holy shit. You can't make this shit up. I love it, man. Welcome to Miami. Welcome to Brickell. Holy shit. 6 times they got divorced. That's crazy. 6 times. You would think after the first or second, at least the second time, learn your lesson. Holy shit. That's crazy. What's up, G? How you doing, boss? That's crazy. 6 times. Can you imagine that? That's wild. I should have asked if he had any prenups. That would have been a good question. But 6 times. And these were the 7. He's like, it's my 7th one. That's wild.